fix it all. I don't need to know. Every step I take right now helps me slowly grow. I was always stronger than I thought I'd be. Even in the silence, there was something in me. I can feel it now, rising somehow. There's a light inside, even when I hide, even when I break, it's still awake. Not gone, not lost, even after all it cost.
Ito na siya guys. Ito na. Ito.